In today's video, I am going to teach you how to choose between GoDaddy and Shopify. The first thing to understand is what each platform is designed to do. Shopify is a dedicated, heavy-duty e-commerce platform. That means it is built specifically for online stores and for helping you scale sales over time. If your main goal is selling products, managing orders, handling shipping, and growing your revenue, Shopify is typically the stronger match because every major feature is focused on commerce. Before you decide, take a moment to think about the type of selling you plan to do. If you are starting a storefront, launching a catalog, or eventually expanding into more products, Shopify is made for that kind of momentum. It supports the core work of running an online business, and it is structured to keep growing with you instead of forcing you to adapt later. Now let us move to the other option. GoDaddy is an all-in-one website builder made for simple sites with basic selling needs. This is ideal when you want to get a website up quickly without dealing with a lot of complexity. GoDaddy can be a good fit if you are building a small business site, sharing information about your services, and adding simple checkout capabilities for limited product sales. To make the comparison feel clear, consider how you want your website to function. With GoDaddy, the emphasis is on building a general website experience, then adding basic commerce features on top. With Shopify, the emphasis is on running an online store first, and then building the rest of your storefront experience around that selling foundation. Next, focus on where you see the most value. Shopify is designed to handle the heavy lifting of e-commerce, especially when sales start increasing. That can include managing product listings, supporting the day-to-day rhythm of orders, and giving you a store setup that is built to support growth. If you expect that your sales volume and product variety will expand, choosing Shopify early can reduce the friction you might otherwise face later. On the other hand, GoDaddy can be an efficient choice when you want simplicity. If you are not planning complex store operations and you just need the ability to accept payments and sell a few items, GoDaddy is often enough to get the job done. The setup is centered around creating a website experience that looks good and works well, with commerce features that are present, but not the entire focus. Another way to choose is to look at the future scope of your business. Shopify is a dedicated platform, so it is built to support a full e-commerce journey. That is especially helpful when you want to scale sales, streamline your store processes, and keep the experience consistent as your business grows. GoDaddy, in contrast, is more about creating an all-in-one web presence with basic selling options, which can be perfect for smaller or more straightforward needs. At this point, you can decide based on what matters most to you right now and what you expect next. If your priority is a heavy-duty selling platform that is purpose-built for e-commerce growth, Shopify fits that role. If your priority is building a simple website quickly and adding only basic selling capabilities, GoDaddy is designed for that approach. To wrap it up, use this simple summary in your decision-making. Shopify is a dedicated, heavy-duty e-commerce platform built to scale sales. GoDaddy is an all-in-one website builder made for simple sites with basic selling needs. Choose Shopify when your main focus is building and growing a store, and choose GoDaddy when your main focus is creating a straightforward website with light commerce requirements. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.